this is Daddy from busydaddycooks. Today we are making braised minced pork with eggplant. This is the Busy Daddy's version. That is, a quick and easy way to cook, yet retaining the texture and flavour of the dish. There is also a Yu Xian version that uses spicy bean sauce and vinegar. If you'd like me to make this Yu Xian version as well, please let me know in the comments below.
My Busy Daddy cooks.
I have here an eggplant that's about 320 grams. Cut it into 3 inches in length or about 4 finger width. Then into quarters. In a clay pot, put in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then turn on the heat to a medium flame. I am using a clay pot here, but you can use any pot, wok or pan. It works just as well. When the oil is hot, put in the aromatics. That's chopped ginger, garlic, and the white part of a spring onion. Fry till fragrant. Now add 300 grams of minced pork. Break up the pork and fry till it turns white. Add in the eggplant, and about 150 ml of water. Cover and let it steam for about 10 minutes till the eggplants are soft. Season it with 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for the color, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to round off the flavors. Also, add a few dashes of white pepper. Cover and let it braise for another 10 minutes for the eggplant to absorb all the flavors. When done, thicken up the sauce by adding some cornstarch slurry. That's 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. Garnish with the top part of the spring onion. This is braised minced pork with eggplant.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.